Some birds have unbelievable abilities that look like superpowers. Here are 3 amazing bird facts. Fact 1. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird in the world and can dive at speeds over 300 kilometers per hour. Fact 2. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward and hover in the air like a helicopter. Fact 3. Eagles have extremely powerful eyesight and can spot prey from several kilometers away. Which bird ability surprised you the most?